How do you, animals, and plants grow and evolve? For every living creature to develop, its cells must multiply through a process called reproduction. It's astounding to think that you initially began as one tiny cell. How do animals and plants multiply? Their method of reproduction can either be asexual, where progeny derive from a singular parent, or sexual, where offspring are birthed from the fusion of reproductive cells from two parents. Asexual reproduction is the more straightforward type of cell multiplication, as it only necessitates one parent. Single-celled life forms, including bacteria, protozoa, and certain plants, multiply via a simple cellular division termed mitosis. During mitosis, the cell duplicates its chromosomes, which are composed of DNA, to ensure that each new cell will have its own set of identical chromosomes. Once two complete sets of chromosomes are available, the nucleus splits, followed by the division of the entire cell. In animals, the cell membrane contracts inwards to produce two identical cells. For plants, a fresh cell wall forms, partitioning one plant cell into two. The organism that arises from asexual reproduction is a clone of its parent. The cells from the topmost layer of your skin perpetually die and are substituted by new skin cells. In fact, the upper layer of your skin gets completely replaced twice in a day. All your body cells renew themselves via mitosis. When a cell divides, every new cell must receive an accurate copy of the parent cell's chromosomes. This duplicate set of chromosomes ensures that each new skin cell or body cell possesses the same DNA code as its parent cell, assuring that it will appear and behave similarly to the older skin cells it replaced. Have you ever observed a mother dog with her puppy? You may have noticed that the puppy does not exactly resemble its mother. This is because dogs produce offspring via sexual reproduction, which involves two parents. The puppy acquires half its DNA from one parent and half from the second parent. Most organisms reproduce in this manner. Creatures that multiply sexually possess distinctive cells known as sex cells. The female parent has sex cells called egg cells, and the male parent has sex cells known as sperm cells. These sex cells have only half the number of chromosomes that the other cells in an organism's body have. A process called meiosis forms these sex cells. In meiosis, a single cell splits into 4 rather than 2, so each new cell has half the number of chromosomes as the original cell. Sexual reproduction takes place when the male cell, the sperm cell, and the female cell, the egg cell, unite to form a novel cell known as a zygote. This merging process is known as fertilization. The zygote, which is the first cell of a new organism, has one full set of chromosomes, half from the male parent and the other half from the female parent. The zygote will divide through mitosis to form the numerous cells that will constitute the adult body of that organism.